Kuda kwashe Tagurei, a powerful Zimbabwean businessman with deep links to the ruling elite, has reignited political debate after being captured on video sharing a warm moment with President Emerson Mnangagwa on the golf course. Sanapenda mashoko kuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi Zvigananda aiwa zvakapture Mnangagwa completely panguva ino ichiitwa kuti kashamisa vanhu. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timina Mnamobra Commission's political analyst Brighton Mutebuka says the footage is more than a casual interaction. It is a strategic signal that Tagurei remains deeply embedded in ZANU-PF's inner circle despite recent political setbacks. The clip, which shows Tagurei embracing Mnangagwa with laughter and ease, has raised eyebrows, particularly following the businessman's failed bid to join the ZANU-PF Central Committee, a rejection widely seen as a blow orchestrated by rivals within the party, including Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga and the party spokesperson Chris Mnangagwa. UK-based legal expert Brighton Mutebuka believes the golf course encounter was carefully staged to convey a powerful political message. In quotes, through that public side embrace of ED, nonchalantly gliding into his personal space with both giggling, the signal was clear, said Mutebuka. The two are somewhat joined at the hip and enjoy intimate and cordial relations away from the prying eyes. According to Mutebuka, that moment was a bold political statement. Make no mistake about it, egos were mightily bruised, and this is what has been cobbled up as the perfect response, he said. Through this footage, ZANU-PF's structures, state institutions, ED's allies, and enemies alike have all been put on notice that Tagurei is still very much part of the system regardless of whether or not he is a Zvigananda. The episode adds yet another twist to ZANU-PF's succession politics, where power is often communicated not through official announcements, but through subtle gestures, body language, and orchestrated public appearances. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa the event yakaitika mutungamiri wenyika aiwa ana kuda kwashe Tagurei aiwa nezvimwe Zvigananda panguva ino zvinoratidza kuti aiwa kunyange wana Tagurei panguva ino vakablokiwa from aiwa the co-option to the central committee, but asati zvapera the battle is still on. Anytime they can do anything that they want. In a comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.